Hello traders. Free download of Forex Fury V3 Expert Advisor. The link is in the description. If you are new to this channel, I congratulate you on joining. Don't forget to click subscribe and like. You will always get an expert advisor, which of course is free, which I upload every week. Backtest this time I get a profit of 3,500% of the capital of $100 for 1 year with a low spread. Forex Fury is optimized for the pound sterling to US dollar pair. Some suggest using the M5 time frame and the M15 time frame. In this video I will show you with spread 10, spread 15 and spread 25 with time frame M15. With the default preset settings. Because the expert advisor has been optimized from the Forex Fury development team. Then is this year's expert advisor still working to generate stable profits? For that you have to try it yourself and see the results. To avoid loss, you can try first on a demo account for a few weeks. Make it a habit to first understand the parameters of the expert advisor. (1) Backtest pound sterling to US dollar spread 10. To get optimal trading results, I use data from Tickstory with 99% backtest quality. Trading data used from August 2021 to August 2022. The first backtest starts with a spread of 10 with the default preset and time frame M15. Okay, let's look at the graph of account growth starting at $100. Watch the profit increase and the drawdown decrease. You can notice here, transactions that are taken generate profits and losses from each transaction. I will save the trading results file first. to see details of trading Forex Fury V3 transactions. This is the result of the transaction Backtest pound sterling to US dollar spread 10. Total net profit $3,528 from the initial capital of $100. Profit factor 1.10. Total traded 1860 transactions. Drawdown 68.33%. The drawdown is big. For details of the transaction, you can also download it at the description link. Two. Backtest pound sterling to US dollar spread 15. My second backtest only changed the spread to spread 15. And let's see the process of increasing profit and decreasing drawdown from the chart. I will save first. This is the result of the transaction Backtest pound sterling to US dollar spread 15. Total net profit of $3,136 from the initial capital of $100. Profit factor 1.10. Total traded 1761 transactions. Drawdown 71.43%. The drawdown is huge. Three. Backtest pound sterling to US dollar spread 25. And the third using spread 25. Seen from the previous two backtests, there is a fairly high decline from the graph. This is the result of the transaction Backtest pound sterling to US dollar spread 25. Total net profit $240 from the initial capital of $100. Profit factor 1.10. Total traded 1,652 transactions. Drawdown 87.18%. Drawdown is huge. 4. Conclusion. I will summarize from the 3 backtests of the spreads 10, 15 and 25. If we look at the chart, there is a fairly high decline, but in the end it is still profitable. Do not hesitate to withdraw profits if your deposit has already made a profit. At least you can save your deposit and can feel a little profit instead of getting a loss. The highest profit in the first backtest with a spread of 10. Meaning that if you want to try, you can use an account with a low spread specification. In the description link I have also provided a broker registration link with low spread specifications. Thanks for watching until the end. If this video is useful for you, don't forget to click like and you can share this video too. Please provide your comments. Let's discuss in the comments link about this Forex Fury V3. And there are other expert advisor videos on this channel that might be suitable for you. Please watch it too and get a free expert advisor in the description link.